You eat clean. You skip snacks. You might even fast. But that stubborn fat doesn't move. The scale is stuck. You feel like you're doing everything right, but your body isn't listening. You're working against a hidden switch. If you don't know where it is, you can't flip it. By the end of this, you'll see that switch and the single mechanism that decides every day whether you store fat or burn it. First, let's burn down the lies. Myth 1, it's just calories in, calories out. Wrong. Your body isn't a simple math equation. It's a hormonal battlefield. Myth 2, exercise more to burn fat between meals. False. You can't outrun a hormonal signal. Myth 3, you're not fasting long enough. Misleading. You could fast 20 hours and still not trigger the switch if you do one thing wrong. Myth 4, your metabolism is just slow. That's a symptom, not the cause. Your metabolism follows orders. Let's find a commander. Here's the hidden process, the real reason. You eat food, especially carbs and protein, enters your system. Your pancreas senses it. It releases a hormone. That hormone is insulin. Think of insulin not as a nutrient, but as a storage manager. It sweeps glucose from your blood and delivers it first to muscle and liver cells. But those storage units fill up fast. And while insulin is high, while the manager is on duty, it locks the doors to your fat cells. Not to keep fat in, but to keep fat from coming out. Burning fat is literally switched off. This is the switch. Insulin is the off switch for fat burning. Between meals, you only start burning fat when insulin drops low enough, when the storage manager clocks out. But if you snack, drink sweetened coffee, eat a healthy granola bar every few hours, you keep calling the manager back to work. The switch never flips. The fat never gets released. Do this daily. 6 small meals, constant lattes, never letting insulin fall. And your cells get tired of the constant knocking. They start to ignore him. This is insulin resistance. The pancreas screams louder, releasing even more insulin. Your baseline insulin rises. The storage manager now lingers in the hallway permanently. The switch to fat burning gets harder and harder to flip. You don't notice it at first. You just feel more tired between meals, crave a pick-me-up, and that belly fat starts to cling on and grow. Here's the most counterintuitive truth. You're hungry, tired, craving sugar between meals, not because you need to eat, but often because you ate too recently. You're trapped in a sugar-burning cage, screaming for quick fuel while your abundant body fat stays locked away. You are literally starving with a full pantry. The fatigue, brain fog, lack of control, it's not willpower, it's biological lockdown. But this is all reversible. Your body is desperate to heal. You just need to let the storage manager go home. When you create a true gap between meals, a clean fast, no snacks, no sweeteners, insulin finally drops. The switch flips. Within 24 hours, hunger hormones recalibrate. In days, energy stabilizes. In weeks, baseline insulin drops. You become a proficient fat burner. That stubborn fat becomes accessible energy. It all comes down to one simple choice, the gap. The space between meals where magic happens. Your job isn't to eat less, it's to stop eating long enough. So ask yourself, are you constantly managing storage or finally allowing the release?